What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. TechLift here. Today I'm going to be going over my desk setup for 2025, and I'm going to be setting up my new FlexiSpot E8 desk. Let's go ahead and get straight into it, guys. So as you guys have known from the previous videos, your boy has been struggling with his desk setup. This was the current setup. I recently moved last year, and I didn't really have a little area that was my own where I could kind of be creative and, you know, work. And that's kind of the void that we're filling today. Shout out to FlexiSpot for sending this desk over, the FlexiSpot E8 desk. Right off the bat, guys, setting this thing up, I was really impressed by the quality of it, the build quality. You guys know that I'm a huge Facebook Marketplace connoisseur, and I've had a few desks from Facebook Marketplace, and for the price, you couldn't go wrong with it, especially because I was on a budget and just trying to make like budget desk setups. This setup, I'm not going to lie to you, felt premium and high quality. This is almost like one of those super modern and high-tech, simplistic, minimalistic type of desks. The metal on this is super premium. It's nice and smooth. The bamboo one-piece shelf for the actual table itself is super high quality and flexible. I didn't feel like any of this stuff was flimsy. Setting it up was super easy, guys. Like, I've gotten all my desks pre-built already. This was the first desk that I actually put together myself, literally from the ground up. As you guys saw, instructions were super simple, modern, and to the point. Tells you exactly what to do. The actual lifting and lowering of this thing was actually super smooth and quiet. The noise is actually pretty satisfying, I'm not gonna lie to you. Some of my other desks you guys have seen, I had two previous standing desks, were pretty loud and kind of obnoxious, whereas this, you can see it coming up super sleek looking as well, and it was nice and quiet. Now, the actual control module itself is super high quality and sturdy. I don't feel like it's gonna rip off. The undercarriage, everything hiding the cables is full metal, and it's a quality metal that's finished in this like glossy white paint, which I opted for. It doesn't feel like it's gonna chip or cheap or anything like that. It's super high quality. Literally every piece of this desk says premium and says quality. I'm pretty happy that I got this desk, guys. Now, as you guys can see here, setting up my OG tried and true setup here, the LG Ergo 27-inch 1440p monitor, my M1 chip Mac Mini, my Blue Yeti microphone here for my voiceovers, which is what I'm doing on now. This setup literally says modern, minimal, and quality, guys. I'm pretty impressed by it, especially for my new desk setup. I wanted something a little different, a little more simple, a little modern, but still looks good and is going to be timeless for years to come. Now, setting up the cable management, you know, making sure everything looks clean is just done by this probably like $10 kit from Amazon. It's like this like little cable 3M zip tie deal that goes around the cables, and then the 3M sticker comes off. You can attach it to whatever. It just helps all the wires stay a little neater. And as you guys can see here, my wiring and, you know, that stuff behind the monitor to kind of hide them away. It looks kind of messy, but it's really not. It's pretty organized, and then I just clip off the zip ties there. The undercarriage cable storage is super high quality. I have some pretty big power banks for my monitor and my Mac Mini and a few other things, and it held them just fine. I didn't feel like it was gonna bend or break or anything like that. It just screws into the desk. Now, I am planning on putting my surge protector up under the cable management tray as well. Now, putting everything on the desk itself, guys, again, the one-piece bamboo table butcher block piece itself is super high quality and sturdy. It's definitely whiskey approved. He helped me build this whole thing. Believe it or not, I actually stood on it full body weight. I'm weighing around like 150, 155 pounds, and not once did I ever feel like a little bend or void in the desk itself. I literally had to do it so I could put up shelves and stuff. This thing was sturdy, and again, overall, pretty impressed by this desk. Even Whiskey was checking it out. He was trying out the control module there. The control module on a few of my other desks is broken. You could tell it's super flimsy. It's going to snap off after a couple uses and some pressure. This control module is super sturdy. It's like full metal and like a good quality plastic. It feels super smooth and nice to the touch. The best way I can describe this setup, guys, is it feels premium. The paint on the arms and legs, the sound, the motors are sleek and quiet. Literally everything about this feels nice. The wood on the bamboo table does not feel like it's that, you know, like that faux, like styrofoam, balsa wood type of, you know, table that a lot of desks are made out of. This is nothing but quality, I'm pretty impressed by it, guys, and it's exactly what I wanted for my 2025 desk setup. I wanted to start fresh, something new, something sleek, something modern, something that fits my vibe in this current season of life, and I feel like this fits it perfect. The white legs, the bamboo table, the sleek and modern looking controller, the sound of the motors itself isn't annoying. It actually sounds pretty cool, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a super smooth desk. Now, touching up on the goal of this setup, guys, I wanted a piece of my living space to just be a place where I can go sit and work, but also feel inspired, motivated to create and just do me. And that's exactly what this little corner is. It's my own little sanctuary where I can go, where I can, you know, feel refreshed, where I can go and be creative, where I can come up with new ideas, where I can just kind of go be to myself, do things that you know, inspire me, that make me happy, do things that, you know, give me fuel, you know, creatively, whatever it is, you know, work on my goals, etc. I feel like everyone needs a little piece in their living space to really just be a space for themselves where they can go and, you know, recharge. I'm a very introverted person, yet extroverted at the same time, if that makes any sense. Basically, what I'm trying to say is I need time to myself to recharge and really just be the best version of myself, and this little desk setup is exactly that. I have different pieces that inspire me here. As you guys can see on one of the floating shelves, I have my white mountain biking helmet, I have my Mac Mini, I have the Xbox controller there, which no longer works, but it's cool to keep as decoration. I have a book that recently I finished up and inspired me. I have, you know, my running glasses, an F1 car. I plan on adding more things to it. Whiskey is definitely one of those things as well. Just looking down at him whenever I'm working, he's just like beside me, is pretty cool. So all these things inspire me. Now, would I recommend this desk in particular, the FlexiSpot E8 desk? 110%. And now I'm saying this because of the build quality, because of the looks, and the price point. For this price point, this desk is going to last you for years to come. Again, the design of it is sleek and modern looking. It's not going to be outdated. You're not going to want anything new. If anything, you can always swap out the table for a different butcher block, maybe black, maybe white, whatever it is. But I feel like this desk is timeless and it's going to last me years to come. I know that the build quality is there and I'm not going to have to worry about anything breaking, which is nice. Now, wrapping it all together, guys, create a space that inspires you, that motivates you, where you guys can rest, recharge, and feel rejuvenated to get out there and kick butt. This is exactly what that is for me. I hope you guys enjoyed my 2025 desk setup. More videos to come, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.